This 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 240 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, DVD player, oven, leveling jacks, skylight, air conditioning, refrigerator, spare tire kit, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 240 megaliters is 6,265 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.